Kuehne+Nagel and Swiss share a long-standing partnership. Now we're joining forces. Together with Swiss cargo division Swiss WorldCargo and Synhelion, we are pioneering in supporting the production of sustainable aviation fuels. We are solar fuel pioneers, supporting the scale-up of Synhelion's breakthrough technology that turns renewable energy into sustainable aviation fuel. Kuehne+Nagel has committed to a long-term offtake of Synhelion sustainable aviation fuel for its cargo shipments with Swiss WorldCargo, a step that will help reduce the environmental impact of air freight transportation. As a forward-thinking company, Kuehne+Nagel enables technologies, fosters innovation, and drives sustainability initiatives. Together, we shape the way of future flying and air transport.